Happy new month, guys. I hope we are all well wherever we are, right? Yeah, so I want to take this chance, first of all, to say thank you for all the support that you've been giving us. And again, this is simply to invite you to our semester, which will be commencing on 3rd September 2024. This is simply to invite you to our semester, which will be commencing on 3rd September 2024. And this semester, we have amazing new things for us, which will help us very well, of course, as we'll be preparing for the exams. I know even before you continue, majority of you will be asking, Molimo, you're starting the classes, you're starting the semester, and the results are not yet released, right? Majority of you will be asking me that question. And I'm going to answer you with a question as well. For those students who are on the same level, maybe initially you are, or maybe currently you are in intermediate, advanced level, or maybe foundation level. The last sitting, you did only 3 papers. You didn't do all the papers. Why should you wait for the results to be released for you to do the other 3 papers? Why should you wait for the results to be released for you to do the other 3 papers? Then, so that towards the end, you'll be having a lot of pressure. No. I'll advise you, like, more so if you are within the same level, you start the classes as soon as you can. As at the end of the day, what is the worst that can happen? Right? What is the worst that can happen? Tell me. So you start your classes as soon as you can. Our classes, of course, will be commencing on 3rd of September 2024, which I think 3rd will be tomorrow, I think. The other bit will be, Molimu, I'm moving to the next level. I've done my classes. I did my papers for intermediate. I'm very uncertain because KASNEB is just KASNEB. I'm not sure if I'm going to pass or if I'm not going to pass. For people like us, how will you assist? I know you'll be asking that question as well. This is the answer I'm having for you guys. You have our number, right? Which is 0708068851. You have our contact. You just reach us out, then we'll plan for that. I'm very sure we'll reach an agreement so that you can start your classes as soon as you can. Don't wait for the results to be released, right? That is one thing that I wanted to share with you as I am inviting you to this semester of ours, which is from September to December. The other thing is that on our timetable, this is our timetable, but all our classes are usually on evening hours for live virtual, and of course, that is evening and early morning. I'm going to explain why we normally tend to have our classes only on evening and, of course, early morning. We have 2 packages that we normally tend to offer to our students. These 2 packages, ideally, they are very ideal and suitable for all of us. And these are what you're having. Let me share with us. We have 2 packages. The first package is a pre-recorded version, pre-recorded classes. The second package is the combo package. Combo package has both virtual live classes and pre-recorded version. So all these are the items that you're going to get under the pre-recorded version. Controlling your own timetable, that is to say, you access these classes at your own time, anytime, anywhere, any place, right? Which you can also download the videos to view them offline. The beauty part with our pre-recorded version is that you can as well get access to what is going on the current semester, as well as you can be able to get the class notes, revision materials, lecturer support. This package, you normally charge 4,000 shillings per unit. This package, you normally charge 4,000 shillings per unit. If you are taking 2 and more units, that is, say, for example, you're taking a FAR FM, 2 is included. In that case, instead of you paying 4,000 per unit, you'll only pay 3,500 shillings per unit. You'll only pay 3,500 shillings per unit. That is what we have. And for those who are going to register the class, I know if you call me in relation to this. You will have watched this video. For those who are going to register the classes before 5th of September, for those who are going to register the classes before 5th of September, yeah, before 5th of September, my good students, this is a good news. You're going to get this at only 3,000 shillings per unit. For those who are registering the classes before 5th of September, you'll get these classes at only 3,000 shillings per unit. Accessible in our platform. I know you're used to .co.ke, but we have a new platform which I'm also going to share with us. .com, app.mdarasa.com. The combo package, you get access to the virtual live classes plus the pre-recorded version. So you get 2 packages in one. You get 2 packages in, you get 2 packages in one. And these 2 packages in one, my good students, you'll only pay how much? 6,000 shillings per unit. In that, you get all the items in package 1. In addition to this, you'll also be able to access the live virtual classes where you attend classes as part our own timetable. The difference with the virtual, because you say Mwalimu, see also in the pre-recorded, you can access the live virtual recorded for live. Yes, you can, but there are so many things that you normally tend to do on the virtual live classes. You interacting with your students, with your fellow students, doing more assignments, literally, it has so many. That's why you're charging 6,000 shillings per unit. So these are the 2 packages that you do have. The next thing is about our timetable. Here you go. This is our timetable. The next thing, it will be about our timetable. So this is our timetable here. This is our timetable. Our timetable, our classes are early morning, evening, and weekend classes. Majority of the classes, actually all the classes for advanced level, they are scheduled for weekend only. If I told you to take the live virtual classes, all classes for advanced level are scheduled on weekends only, including, my good students, business data analytics, including BDA. So these are classes, which I'm going to attach, of course, the link of this timetable just below this video, so that you can access this as well. So this is what we have. Evening, early morning. Evening, early morning. Okay? Evening, early morning. So you can get access to this timetable so that you can see where you fit. Remember our classes, we've said, they are commencing on 3rd of September 2024. Now, the most interesting part of things that we are giving you this semester, guys, do your research. If at all you're going to get a platform with the capabilities I'm going to show you in our platform, come, I give you 10,000. I dare you. Get me a platform with these capabilities that I'm going to show you in our new platform. Come, I give you 10,000 more. Here, I introduce to you mDarasa platform. So all you need to do, you come to app.mdarasa, of course, .com, app. So that is app.mdarasa.com, app.mdarasa.com, app.mdarasa.com. Hula. For the first time users, in this case, this is what you'll be having, of which, on this case, the most unique part with our platform, is that you can install it as an application on your desktop or your PC. Meaning that if you install it on your desktop or PC as an app, you don't need to go to your browser any time that you want to access. You'll just be accessing it directly on your PC or laptop. The same case, of course, technology is changing a lot, right? The same case, you can use it on the phone. You can just install it on your phone as an application directly without going even to Play Store. You can simply install it on your phone. as an application, meaning that you can be accessing it at any given point in time whenever you want to access. You see this icon here? Install mDarasa. So you just click install, then you do what? Then you install the app on your platform, or rather on your desktop. So once you have installed, of course, you'll get this. Once you have installed, then you'll be able to get this. See? So create your account, first name, second name. The beauty part, wherever you are, in whichever country that you are in, so long as it's on app, you can put your number. You can register with your number directly. You can register with your number directly. You can register with your number directly. A company, that is optional. Professional title is optional. Then once you're done with that, of course, the next part that you can do, of course, is to do what? Is to come and create your account, right? So once you have created your account, then you can literally access the platform on this case. So you just come sign in. Let me sign in. 07080688851. So you just sign in. Of course, after you sign up, it will take you to the dashboard directly. Aha. So once you have signed in, this is the dashboard. Anything relating with accounts, not only CPA, but anything relating with accounts, you'll always be able to access it on the platform. In this case, you're having these features where you can track how you're studying. You can view your courses, of course, the saved courses that you'll be having. We can literally trace how you are studying. You can as well put your picture here, by the way. You can as well put your picture, right? So let's go to the unit, CPA assuming. You just click get started, then start learning. These are all the courses for CPA. This is the pre-recorded version that Mwalimu was talking about. For the aspect of the revision, remember when I told you, like, you can be able to, on all of our packages, I just showed you on all of our packages, you can access, of course, the aspect of the recorded, the revisions, block revision, uploaded 1 month to exams. You can get it at that point. We've also talked about you accessing the live virtual classes. You can as well access the live virtual classes at this point here. Live virtual recorded classes, okay? So we go to any unit, assuming you go to a firm. If you go to a firm, of course, first time that you're signing up and you're purchasing the unit, it is now easy. Regardless of the time, you can just purchase your content and access it automatically without even contacting anyone. You can just pay directly and access your content immediately without contacting anyone. By doing this, all you need to do is to insert your number. You're going to get the push notification, insert your PIN, and automatically, voila, you access the content. And this is how you'll be having it. After paying, this is how you can access the same. So after it has processed, you just come now and access it, right? You just come and access, of course, your content. Yeah, you just come and access your content, where this is how the units and the topics are arranged, literally the topics, from topic number 1 all the way to the last topic, which is topic number 14. This is the most interesting part, how to interact with the platform. So maybe you're dealing with any topic, say topic number 4. You want to start, or rather you want to study the time value of money. You go to this subtopic. You get all the videos. You get the videos, you see? You get the videos, which you can basically cast the video on your TV. You can literally watch it on your TV. You can see your notes. If you go to the notes part, Then you just click that point, the notes part. Then, of course, you'll be able to access your notes. See? You will be able to access your notes. You'll be able to access your notes, which the beauty part, you can literally download these notes. You can download these notes. Let me show you. See this point here? You can come and download the notes. You can print the notes. You can print the notes as well. You can print the notes as well. So in addition to that, you'll find that the platform is so interactive in a sense that you can ask questions where you need an assistance. You can come and discuss. This is simply you and your colleagues discussing the content of compounding techniques within the application. Yeah, so these are what we have. We have all the courses. You can see it is showing 4,000, but in the event that you're taking more than 2, of course, as we mentioned, we'll be having that discount offer. So these are what we are having, including my students for business data analytics. Yeah, all of this, you can get it at this point. So this is what we have. This is a good news that we're giving you guys this semester. We are trying as much as we can to make your learning more enjoyable, to make your learning more fun and more interesting. So that is our platform, our new platform. We are migrating from the previous platform that you're using. So from this semester henceforth, we'll be using this platform, app.mdarasa.com. This is what we'll be doing. So again, I'm inviting you guys on behalf of mDarasa to make sure that you join our classes for CPA and ATD this semester. Our classes for live virtual will be commencing on 3rd September 2024. For pre-recorded version, you can access them anytime that you want to access. So to this point, I'll take this chance and officially invite you guys to our classes. We have amazing things this semester. So that point, if at all you need to make any inquiry, don't hesitate to reach us out. 0708 068 851 is our number. To that point, guys, thank you so much. And I hope to see you guys in our classes. If at all you are crossing to the next level, you are very uncertain, of course, of the results, don't hesitate. Reach us out, and of course, we reach an agreement so that you can start your classes as soon as you can. To that point, thank you so much, and see you in our classes. Bye-bye.